Well, I mean, that's the interesting point, and I think 2015 is perhaps going to be a year characterized by increased economic and policy divergences. So the fact that we've seen the quantitative easing move from the European Central Bank highlights a recognition of that, highlights a policy move to try and redress that, but it will be the case that I think you continue to see US outperformance. The key thing for the Asian economies is that they perhaps have a higher degree of exposure still to the US economy, though China has been a very important driver of Asian growth in recent years. Both China and the US are roughly the same size now. The slowdown in China is perhaps concentrated in the industrial sector, which is about 30% of GDP, whereas the US recovery is likely to be led by the consumer sector, which is 70% of GDP. So I think that in itself suggests we will see some support coming through to the Asian economies via the US consumer and stronger spending over 2015. So it well could be the case that economic differences across the globe and policy differences with that do remain a feature for a little bit longer than many were expecting. I think the synchronised recovery in the global economy has perhaps been pushed into a 16 story, even 17 rather than a 2015 dynamic.